Well, I didn't plan this out very well because I didn't plan to do a third video for this, but this is what you have. Basically, you realize that when you're adding up all these function values for any set of trapezoid rules, you always have 2 of every single height except for the first one and the last one. This is the general rule in red that you will see in the book. And it works wonderfully, except for 2 minor problems. Here's the 2 minor problems. First off, this is only going to work if every interval and every trapezoid is the exact same width. If they all have a width of 2 or 3 or 4, this is great. It's a wonderful little shortcut. Why add up each trapezoid? You can just use this formula here. But if they're not, and oftentimes on the AP exam, they won't be, then this is not going to work at all. Here's problem number 2. You're not going to remember this formula. Oh, sure. You can memorize this for a quiz or for a test, and you probably remember it for a few more weeks after that. But I have to tell you, months later, years later, you're not going to remember this rule. There is a good chance, though, that maybe the area of a trapezoid is stuck so well into your head from geometry or from some previous math course, maybe you will remember how to get the area of trapezoids. I recommend whenever you're doing this, if you were doing it in the real world to estimate it, you would have a computer adding all of these up. So it doesn't matter how you input it. If you're doing it on your own, though, there's probably only going to be a few points. You'll probably have to add up 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 at the most trapezoids to get this. Just remember the formula for the area of a trapezoid. That will give you a very good estimate for the Riemann sum using the trapezoid rule. Thanks for your patience. This is it for the trapezoid videos.